Open Google Maps and explore locations in stunning 3D view with just a few quick taps. Want to see buildings, landmarks, and cities in a realistic 3D perspective? Here's the fastest way to enable 3D mode in Google Maps on Android. Step 1. Go to your phone and open the Google Maps app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Step 2. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open additional map options and settings. Step 3. Look for the map type section on the screen. Here you'll find options like default, satellite, and terrain. Step 4. Select satellite view to display real-world imagery. The map will instantly switch from the standard layout. Step 5. Search for any major city or landmark you want to explore. Popular locations usually provide the best 3D experience. Before we continue, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more quick and practical Android tips every day. Step 6. Place 2 fingers on the map and swipe upward. This tilts the map and activates the 3D perspective. Step 7. Pinch to zoom in closer to buildings and landmarks. The 3D details become more visible as you zoom. Step 8. Drag your finger around the screen to rotate the view. This lets you explore the area from different angles. Step 9. Move around the map while staying in 3D mode. You can freely browse nearby streets and locations. Step 10. Tap the compass icon anytime to reset your view. Now enjoy exploring places around the world in 3D. That's it. Your Google Maps 3D view is now ready to use for a more immersive navigation experience.